got something pretty sweet today. Big old box. Now what's in this box? Should be some Go Fast parts from ZoomZoom Parts. They sell a bunch of different Warrior parts, blaster parts from all different four-wheelers, all different types of bikes, carburetors, stators, top end kits. They sell tons of different stuff. Their customer service is pretty darn good. Reached out to them, excuse me, to get a couple extra information on this product, and they reached back out within a couple minutes on Facebook, so that's pretty sweet. So let's jump into this, see what all we got. First off, lots of peanuts. Lots of peanuts. So this is a top end big bore kit. It's a 366 kit with the forged piston, not the cast. So we're gonna see how well this is made. Kind of interested to check it out here. And it's cheap. We're not gonna lie. The price tag on this was less than 300 bucks, and it's a full kit. As you can see, it comes with gaskets, head gaskets, clutch cover gaskets, exhaust gasket, valves. Geez, oh man, all the O-rings, nicely packaged. So it's the big bore. It's got the 85 millimeter, which is very important. We have a stock replacement air filter, which we cannot use, but it's not bad to have that on hand. But lots of packing peanuts, so nothing's going to get damaged here. This should be what we're looking for, is the cylinder and piston. Should all be in here. I don't see anything else in this box, so let's get this box out of the way. Okie dokie. Here we go. Now again, this is a forged kit. For like $50 less, you can just get the cast piston, but I would not recommend that. Just spend the extra couple bucks and get the forged piston. ZoomZoom Parts. There we go. They have a YouTube channel, Facebook, TikTok account. They're all over the place, so you guys check them out. Nicely packaged. Again, lots of protection here. High temp gray silicone. Well, that's awesome. That's nice. We can use that. Red thread locker. Wonderful. Fresh spark plug. An NGK plug too, which is great. It's nothing like a cheaper one. Oh, nice. When we were redoing the top end, we did not get a new timing chain tensioner. Comes with one. That's awesome. New oil filter. The only thing I would recommend with this is, I don't know why it didn't come with any, even if they put it in a bag, like a baggie or something. So, I mean, that's kind of weird, but hey, we'll take it. Here's the jug, the cylinder, the piston. Holy moly. All right, let's check this out. Alright, so this is pretty sweet. Nicely packaged here. Got some foam in there to hold the piston up. This piston looks super aggressive, which is kind of cool. So, I reached out to ZoomZoom, and this is actually a 12-to-1 compression piston. So you definitely have to run higher octane in it. Cannot run like 87 or anything. You gotta run like 93. Ideally, we might be running, trying to run some 110 in it. I think that's kind of the game plan. Just be on the safe side. But anything high compression, you wanna run the high octane. But this cylinder looks pretty sweet. I'll put this up here for now. Nice and clean. what we got here. These are the rings. So the oil rings, compression rings. Let's see. See this piston. It's got an arrow on it for which way to install it. Everything's all oiled up, which is nice. Got some little pucks. But everything's nice and oiled up. I'll see if I can get a video or a picture of the hone job that's on it. Which doesn't look all that bad. There's definitely some discoloration down inside there though. Here's the piston. We have the arrow, which faces the exhaust side. Again, this is the forged piston, not the cast. It's the higher end of the two kits. I think the other one's $50 less. I was saying earlier, this one is definitely the way to go if you're going to do it. So, ooh, there you go. Interesting. So one thing is this kit is, again, less than 300 bucks. I think it was like 275, something like that. But you get all this stuff with it, right? A whole new jug. So the old jug that that's on the quad, we can take it off, bore it out, do whatever we want with it. And a piston, rings, everything, right? So JE sells just their high performance piston, and just that piston itself is like the same price as all of this. So it is significantly cheaper. And that's why I'm interested to see how well this is going to work in the quad. Okay, so we checked out the cylinder, the piston. Now we're going to check out these rings. Again, everything's nicely packaged, keeping everything protected. There's the oil rings. So those things are going to go on the bottom down here. And these also have, I don't know if you'll be able to tell. See if we can get on the camera, probably not. See the letter? They should each have a mark on them. Yeah. See if you can see it. So you'll know which way, it's hard to get it, but it's right here. So you'll know which way it's facing up when you're putting this on. But yeah, I mean, the quality of it looks fine. I mean, I'm no expert on this stuff, so we'll just slap it on there, see how it performs. Alright guys, so this was just the unboxing video of the new ZoomZoom 366 kit for the Warrior. Next video we'll get a of installing it. We're not going to do a step-by-step. It's probably just going to be a time lapse of changing the oil, putting new filters in it, spark plug, why not? You know, we're going to change everything out, new gaskets. Pretty excited to see how this performs. Again, this is a 12-to-1 compression 366 kit. I think what was in the Warrior when we raced it was just a 20 over Wiseco. So it's going to be interesting to see how this thing performs with, excuse me, with this modification. Not changing the cam yet. That's kind of in the works. We might just run a higher octane fuel too. See where we're at. See if we can't take that the Hellman's blaster down. So, all right, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. God bless.